Well, we're on day 3 of officially releasing Save Club, and all I can tell you is I hope you join now. If you're watching my videos and you have joined, good. And if you're on the fence right now, I would really, over the next couple hours, decide, are you going to join as an affiliate or not? Okay, it's $60, guys. It's $19.97 a month. This opportunity comes once in a while in this type of platform, and with simplicity, where you get a website, you get a just customer service, and you have a product that's going to save people money. Sure, you got to spend the $19.97 a month, but I firmly believe, and most people that I've talked to already that have joined, they're saving way over $20 a month. I saved 900 and some change. That was my first 35 days. I joined Save Club during the pre-launch, so I had a 30-day head start because I want to be an affiliate. I'm here to earn money. I want to save money, but I want to earn money so I can spend money to save money. Okay? I really enjoy this business, especially when it's only $60. All I do is invite people to a link and I'm done. I let the videos do all the magic. Talk about the opportunity, how to save, how much, and if you want more information, this company, they send out a nice email once a day for 30 days. So if I forget, or maybe I'm hiking and I'm not seen for 30 days. I'm just hiking in the middle of nowhere without cell phone or internet service. What's nice is if people pre-enroll in Save Club just says, look, I got you. If you got to go hiking in the middle of nowhere, go ahead. I'm gonna email these pre-enrollees a nice email every single day on your behalf. And if you or anybody wants to unsubscribe, then click unsubscribe. That's it. And if you want to join later, that's okay. But I don't recommend that right now. We're only 3 days in from the official launch. We only have a few thousand affiliates. We're going to sign up 1 million people over the next year. We're on course. We're on par with that. And they can only sign up under affiliates. So to pay $60 and start promoting a link so that people, I don't know, in your bowling league, maybe down the street, you know some people that you work with. Or if you place an ad, maybe in an old-fashioned newspaper fashion. All right, most people think of social media. And of course, you know, maybe emailing some people. Or YouTube, making a video like I'm doing now. But even like there are penny savers still around. All right, here in Utah, this is called the Big Nickel, City Weekly. But everyone wants to save money. So why not give it a shot? You're not selling something to somebody like a product, or going to Vegas. You know you're going to spend, oh God, let's say $600 on a flight, $500 on a hotel. Maybe you go gamble. You go to a couple shows. You come back and go, oh my God, I just spent $2,500 in 3 days. Is it coming back? I don't know. Hopefully you want it back. But in Vegas, where I've lived over 10 years, I wouldn't hold my breath on that. But if you're going to spend $20 and search all over planet Earth, or in your neck of the woods, just put in your zip code, is there a local business? In my case, Discount Tire, Purple Mattress. I have a couple car washes I go to. That saved me $17. I had a couple oopses at Burger King. That saved me about $10. But my big savings was Discount Tire. I saved so much money on that, I almost freaked out. Thank goodness someone introduced me to this opportunity, because I had to buy tires for a couple of my trucks no matter what anyway. So I'm a big fan of just the membership side, where you pay $20, search like crazy either on your cell phone or go to saveclub.com, log in, go to the My Deals app or tab and just look all over the place, type. And if you don't save over $20 a month, then hey, it costs you $20 to search around to see if you can save $20 or more. That's it. And if you want to join as an affiliate, which I highly recommend, and if you're watching my videos, I already know you guys are affiliates. You want to be one. You need to join a team that kicks ass. That is my team. I belong to the biggest group of people that are on the leaderboard. We have free training. We have free pictures. We have free videos. Everything's already made. You just need to join and haul ass and start uploading stuff on social media and any other platform that you feel comfortable with, from YouTube. If you want to email, awesome. Awesome. You want to get a hold of your friend, old school on the phone, maybe hand out some business cards. It's really up to you. But Save Club, it kind of sells itself because it just says, look, I'm just here to save you money. If you got 20 bucks, come on in and look around. And if not, hey, thanks for your time. Sorry it cost you $19.97. No harm, no foul. I don't know one person that has had that experience yet, unless you just join and you shut your cell phone off, never log into saveclub.com and just tune out the noise and say, oh, I lost $20. Okay, don't do that. And I know you're not going to, because if you're an affiliate, I know you're shopping and I know you're going to save. That's why I do video like this. This is my opinion. I can't guarantee nothing. Disclaimer, disclaimer. You can save $1. You might save $1 million on a buck, but you got to get off your buns and you better join now because it's June 3rd. We are only 3 days in. And right now we've got thousands of people worldwide joined, but we barely got any affiliates. So now is the time to do your research. Look all over YouTube. Go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser and just type in Save Club scam, Save Club, is it legit? Save Club opportunity. All right. You're probably going to see me if you go to YouTube or do any type of searching, because I pride myself on doing, I don't know, 5-7 videos a day and posting on my social media platforms just about this great opportunity. I'm about 35 days in. I've made about $4,000 with my new funnel system, which is the only funnel available right now for Save Club. It's already signed up just for the funnel system, about 60 some odd people, which is awesome. Every day I get people just getting the funnel. They're already in Save Club. Okay. But the funnel system is awesome. And I'm going to show you how to just look up both. Okay. But I wanted to talk the first 5-7 minutes just about, I don't know if I want to call it the emergency, but the urgency of really signing up now. Because you can get a maniac like myself or someone else that's going to bring thousands of people right underneath you into your matrix, into your group, into your team. And boy, are you going to be happy, because the way we pay, that's your goal. Get a couple maniacs that wear too much blue and like to sign up people and make a lot of videos and promote this darn thing called Save Club. Okay. Here's the 2 opportunities. I want you to go to officialsaveclub.com. Go ahead, click that. You're going to go to this page. Watch this little video. You can see our founder. Fill out this info. Click the orange button, and you're going to get a nice email from Save Club where you can either join or just get more information about Save Club. 1 email a day for 30 days. Now, I want you to look at this capture page, and this is how you get to it. Save Club funnels. This is $25, and you do not need to get the funnel. But if you're out of ideas and you're not getting any signups or pre-enrolls, or you're just burned out, even though you only been doing Save Club, I guess, posting for a day. A lot of people, if you want to know what it's like to post a lot, come hang out with me for a couple hours. I'll show you. I'm like a machine gun. But the more I post, the more money I make. And that's just not in Save Club. I got a whole bunch of incomes right now, which is exciting. And all I do is just make a video or post something about a link, people click it, and that's it. So with saveclubfunnels.com, go ahead and put in your email in this white little box, hit the yellow button. And then this is a video that's longer. It's not 6 minutes like the other video you're going to watch. This one's about 20. And it just holds you by the hand, sit down in the rocking chair, get yourself a nice little drink, get comfy, and it's going to take you on a journey that over-explains Save Club. So when you're done watching it, you have no doubt what it is, how much it is, how does it save you money, and your only question is 3. No, I'm not into it. Yes, I'm joining right away. Or if you're in the I'm on the fence category, then go ahead and just relax a little bit. But there's going to be a lot of people signing up today and tomorrow and the next week. And before you know it, thousands of more people are going to start joining. And once the whole world knows about this, you're going to have eventually thousands of people per day joining as affiliates. So you need to join now. Please don't delay too much, okay? If you like this video, go below. Join Save Club by hitting that red button, or just get the new funnel, $25. That's not bad, and you're going to like it. So when you get the new funnel, go ahead. We have a setup video. It's super easy. My friend Mike, it only takes like 10 minutes. You're just going to put some information about Save Club, your affiliate link, and then what you're going to do is just invite people either to the direct Save Club link, and that's official Save Club right there, or if you want to look into the funnel system, please look into savefunnels.com. So that's it, guys. Oh man, this is such an opportunity. Please don't take a long time to decide if you're going to be an affiliate or not. If you want to be a member, that's awesome. It's always going to be $19.97. Over the next few months, we're going to have millions of deals worldwide. Yes, including you Asian areas. Every day, someone from Malaysia or Philippines, Vietnam, China, everyone gets a hold of me and says, are we over here yet? How's the deals? Well, according to our founder, CEO, he says, just give us some time, guys. Every week, every month, we're going to be adding thousands of deals in every single country, every little city, every little nook and cranny on planet Earth. You're going to be able to save money. But remember, we're only 3 days old. Got to give us some time, okay? Everyone's excited. Just get in now. $60. That's not bad. 3 $20 bills. So come on, guys. All right. If you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Hopefully you saw that right there on my business card. Cory at CoryDraper.com. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? All right, guys, thanks. I think you're going to have a good time with this. Let me know if you join. I'll find out anyway. I'll get an email and I'll send you my email telling you everything that I do every single day and how I do it. And you're going to be in our private invite-only Facebook group chats and live Zooms. And you're going to have all our free training materials, our training materials as well. That's a hell of a word to say. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.